Alright, I'm going to go over how to create your homepage and set that up. So by default, if you haven't set up the homepage, it will look like this where you're just showing your latest posts and the first post will show up here. Don't worry, everything will get sorted out once we start setting up the theme. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go into our dashboard and we're going to add a page. And you can call this page anything. Let's just call it homepage for now so that it's easy to identify. So we've created our homepage and we'll click publish. And then the next step is going to be under page attributes. We're going to select homepage template. So we just created a page and selected the homepage template on this right column. And then we'll just update or publish so the page is showing up. And then the last step we need to do is set this page to our index. So we do that under settings and reading. And it just has a simple option at the top, front page displays. Instead of your latest post, which is what we were seeing, we're going to click a static page. And for the front page, pretty easy, we'll select our home page. And then you click Save Changes. And now when we visit our home page, it looks a lot different. As you can see, this main area will be where your slider is. And that'll be in another video under creating the homepage slider. We'll set up that. But I'm going to continue this video and show you how to set up content. So as you can see right here, your page title shows up there. So in the live preview, what we have there is called the latest posts. So we can actually adjust this to whatever you wanted. So for instance, if we wanted it to be latest posts, you see that title shows up. Alright, so let's cover the sidebar real quick. So the home page has its own sidebar, and you select that with widgets. It's pretty easy. Here's a select a bunch of widgets we can use, and on the right you have sidebar and home page sidebar. So obviously we're going to use home page sidebar, and I'm just going to drag in in archives and a search real quick just to show you how it displays on the home page. So now I go back to our home page and we have our search in our archive. So that's how you're going to set up the homepage sidebar. As far as content goes, you have three basic ways to insert content. Obviously you can type content in, so you can use short codes and all that kind of stuff if you want multiple columns. But this is where you would add content. And then you notice how there's latest posts right here that's showing up. That's actually controlled by a default set of posts that show up. And I'll actually go to the theme options really quick and show you how that's set up. So if you go to the theme options and you go to the homepage tab, you have a couple homepage options. One is display sidebar, and the next one's display homepage posts. So if I uncheck that and click save options, you'll notice that that area disappears. Let's go and add that back in with the checkbox, and I'll show you how that's actually created. So let's go back to our homepage and edit it, and you'll notice there's this blog page category, and that's just saying what categories of your blog do you want to pull into this page. So we're looking at our homepage, and let's go ahead and check out what categories we have posted. So I have a couple, but only one has a post in it, and so that's uncategorized. And of course you'll have probably more as you continue creating your site, but we only have one, so we'll go ahead and edit our homepage and we'll add uncategorized under that list. We can update this page and view it, and now you'll notice that our latest post pulls in all posts from uncategorized. So what you can do is you can add multiple categories if you want, or just have one. And then under your theme options, under appearance theme options, you can adjust these if you want a couple posts on that page or if you want multiple columns. It's all done right here. And let's say instead instead of latest posts, this is the third way to post content, we can remove those. So I'll save those options. We can see the last way to add content is via widgets in the homepage content area. And you'll notice there's one homepage blog widget, and you can select some options there and save it, and then